Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making brisket in an Instant Pot. All we need for this recipe is a beef brisket and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, chili powder, and liquid smoke. And we also need 1 cup of water for pressure cooking. So let's open the brisket and season it. So I'm going to sprinkle it with salt, chili powder, and liquid smoke. And rub in the seasonings with my hand. And then flip it over to the other side and do the same. So add all the seasoning to the other side. And again, rub it with my hand. So now the brisket is seasoned and we're ready to cook it in an Instant Pot. To cook the brisket in the Instant Pot, let's open the Instant Pot. Now we need to make sure that Instant Pot is fitted with a trivet, which makes it easier to take out the brisket when it's ready. If you don't have it, then you can just put it directly in the water. So let's put 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot. And then put the beef brisket on top of the trivet. Now I will close the lid of the Instant Pot. And set the valve to the sealing position. And now let's set the time to 70 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking the brisket, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 20 minutes. After the pressure has released naturally for 20 minutes, now we're going to quick release the remaining steam. And meanwhile, I'm going to prepare a baking sheet and line it with foil. And when I take out the brisket, I will broil it for 5 minutes to get it browned. Now the pressure has been fully released and the pin has dropped, so we can open the lid. And here is perfectly cooked Instant Pot brisket. To lift it out of the Instant Pot, I'm just going to use oven mitts and grab the handles of the trivet and take out the brisket and put it in a baking sheet. Here we go. It's ready for broiling in the oven. Now let's put the brisket in the oven and broil for 5 minutes. Now the brisket has been broiled for 5 minutes, so let's take it out. So here's perfectly cooked Instant Pot brisket. It's very tender. Now let's slice the brisket. We need to slice it across the grain. So tender. Once you try cooking brisket in an Instant Pot, this is the only way you'll make it. It just comes out so perfect. That's the most tender brisket ever. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks.